Hey there, Whisker Face. What are you doing sitting in the flower trough?
I'm not sitting in the flower trough, I am a flower.
Nice try, but you're definitely a cat. Why are you pretending to be a flower?
I'm not pretending. Look at me. I have these fluffy leaves and everything.
Those are called whiskers, buddy. Cats have them, not flowers.
Whiskers? No, those are just extra leafy bits.
And what about those? Flowers don't have ears.
Those are petals, not ears. See? I'm a blooming masterpiece.
Okay, Mr. Flower Cat, if you're really a flower, I'll get you a cup of water to keep you fresh.
No way. Flowers hate water. I just remembered, I'm a cat, not a flower.
Thought so. So, why were you pretending to be a flower?
Well, it seemed like a good idea at first, but water and I don't get along. I'm just a cat who likes a good sunbeam and a cozy nap.
Fair enough, Whisker Face. No watering the cat flower today, then.
Thank you for watching.